If Sir Walter Buffalo is your top pick, the chances are you're looking for a lawn that looks good, feels good, but also survives real life. If you've got kids thinking that they're pro athletes, dogs weeing wherever they please, mates around for the weekend barbecue with a beer in their hand, and also you've got zero patience for a lawn that needs babysitting, Sir Walter, it's a really good choice. It's Australia's best-selling buffalo lawn because it's durable, it's reliable, it's forgiving, and it stays soft underfoot. It copes with busy backyard foot traffic, shade, a bit of neglect, and it does all that without throwing a tantrum. At the Turf Shed, we don't muck around. We grow A-grade Sir Walter Buffalo on our family farm, and we deliver it fresh and direct to your door. There's no middlemen, there's no turf that's been sitting around drying out, and there's no she'll be right quality. And if you're wondering if our Sir Walter Buffalo actually cuts above, you can have a look at our socials, our website, and our Google reviews, because there's plenty of customers who have already laid it and they're not shy about showing it off. So, if you want a lawn that keeps up with your busy family and not one that needs constant attention, Sir Walter is the best choice. Get your fast, free quote today and lock in your Sir Walter lawn